Bucket's gonna be green. But actually, I decided the bucket bot is now not gonna make another bucket bot and so on until I have 30 bucket bots. I switched that up. I think that would be a mistake. I mean, not really a mistake, but I don't prefer it. So now this is the new plan. The bucket bot is gonna build an entire rib cage and spine, finishing up where I left off. It's gonna build an arm for that and a head for that, and then that will be his helper. Just a rib cage, spine, an arm, and a head, and then it will set up all the electronics, the cooling systems, all that for the arm, head, and rib cage, and activate that, and then the two of them will continue building out um, that arm, head, rib cage until it's a full humanoid. And then the two of them will work together to build the bucket bot into a standard humanoid. And then the two of them, being full blown humanoids now, will proceed to then make more humanoids. So there won't be a bucket bot army. It's going to be just the one bucket bot leading to a full robot and then leading to more robots. So we're not doing a bucket bot army. That's been aborted. Because I don't want that to be my legacy. In case if those bucket bots never get around to building the humanoids, I want to get back to building humanoids as soon as possible. So the bucket bot's just a temporary stepping stone to getting humanoid. Like I never had a vision that I'm just gonna end up with a bunch of bucket bots. I considered it, but I don't like that. That's beneath me capability wise. And it just looks too unprofessional. So I don't want that to be the news story. Guy builds a bunch of bucket bots. Like that's not what I was aiming for. Is this possible? Absolutely. That's my plan to do it.